The SYMA X710W HD camera drone offers impressive aerial photography capabilities with its high-definition 1080p camera, allowing users to capture breathtaking footage from above. Equipped with advanced optical flow positioning technology, this drone ensures stable hovering for precise shots and smooth flight performance. The drone features a variety of exciting flight modes, including circle fly, 3D flip, and trajectory flight, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced flyers to enjoy dynamic aerial maneuvers. With 2 batteries providing up to 24 minutes of flight time, the drone allows for extended flying sessions, while its modular design ensures safe and easy charging. Ideal for beginners, the SYMA X710W makes a great gift for those looking to explore the world of drones, especially during festive occasions like Christmas and birthdays. SYMA offers excellent customer service, providing 30 days of full unit coverage for quality issues and 90 days for accessories, ensuring a reliable and supportive purchase experience.